Hey everyone, good morning. Humans, mankind, seems to be the only species on the planet that has been affected by this coronavirus. Just look around, just listen to the birds, just listen to nature. Everything is okay. Just use your eyes and see reality as it is, instead of falling for all this propaganda, instead of falling for all this brainwashing. Let's just, get outside into nature and sleep. I've been sleeping outside. It has been amazing. And starting out the day 5 a.m. with breath work, with sun gazing, with grounding, just being out in nature, and it's peaceful and lovely. There is no noise, no distraction from yourself, from within. Just going inside and listening to yourself, listening to finding out who you are, why you came here to this planet, why you came especially to this very interesting time. Getting outside, just letting go, is beautiful. Actually thinking of, I'm just in a park today, right now. I'm gonna go for the forest for the rest of the day, and perhaps I will put up my tent and have a nice sleep as well there. 3 days from now, well, they say it's gonna be 10 degrees less than what it is now. Interesting. Hopefully we'll go up again before the summer ends. But yeah, getting to reconnect with yourself, getting to alkalize your body, getting to, have the 4 elements, The one is grounding, the ground, walking barefoot in nature. The second one is water, having pure, clean, filtered or distilled water without all these chemicals. Fresh air, being outside in nature, doing breath work, taking long deep breath also as well into the stomach and emptying out. And fire, which is upon the sky, which is the sun, because whenever we sun gaze, the eyes blossom like a flower, the brain blossom like a flower. You're basically, hydrating your body at the cellular level. You're nourishing your body with the most powerful light therapy, light source, which gives life to all, gives life to this planet, the plants, trees, the animals. Well, we are animals as well. We're just another species. And we're the only one being brainwashed dumb enough to believe, there is some kind of crazy disease out there and we have to take all these measures. It's all about restrictions, and it's just another word for business, If you could if you could get the whole world to think that, we need hand sanitizers, guess what? Somebody's gonna get very rich. Oh, we need masks. Somebody's gonna get very rich. Oh, we need vaccines. Oh, somebody's gonna get very rich. And Bill Gates has even spoken out that he's making a return on investment 20 to 1. For every dollar he invests, he makes $20 again. The whole thing is an illusion. It's all it's just a theater, because when you take the Latin definition of a person, because all laws are written which goes for as a person, and the Latin definition clearly states that it only applies to a person. It's just a theater. A person is a mask. It's something you use in a theater. It's just a role, a character, and they're just doing what they're being told because they're working for a private corporation. If it wasn't for the private corporation, people would never do it, you know? And because they're controlled, you know, from the top down by this government, which is all about fear, which is all about control, which is all about restriction, again, doing business. Make sure, at least if you're living in the city, make sure at least to get 1 day a week outside in nature. 1 day a week. And just wondering if I should go, you know, to another country. Well, it's a bit warmer, and yeah, just be out in nature and continue my work. So enjoy your day, beautiful souls.